Hello everybody, welcome to this new video on how to buy the ECHELON Prime Token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account, and after that we will select the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Just click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened. So the first option they will give you is to select the purchasing frequency. I have selected a one-time purchase, but if you would like to buy them on a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option frequency, then select it in this list, and after that you can fill in the amount of cash you would like to use for this purchase. I'm using 150 euros. After that you can select the asset you would like to buy, and as you know, that is the ECHELON Prime coin. Tick it in, and as you can see, there it is. Select it. Now it's selected. We also can change the payment method or add a new one by clicking on it and select the one which is suited for you. If you don't have any available options over here, then make sure your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button below. Once you have done that, click on Review Order, and now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. We are purchasing for 150 euros of these coins, and we don't pay any Coinbase fee. That is because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and that will save you a lot of money if you buy on a daily basis a lot of crypto. The total amount we are spending is the 150 euros as we have filled in the previous overview. They also will give you a invest weekly option, and then you will start spending this amount of money every week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, don't forget that, and after that you can click on buy now to automatically add those coins to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.